The arrangement of stage cabinets in this Japanese-style tiny home reflects a brilliant approach to space optimization through layer and multifunctional design. Positioned as both a platform and a storage system, the stage cabinets serve multiple roles, elevating the living area while cleverly concealing sliding drawers and vertical shelving system beneath and within their structure. What makes this setup truly innovative is the integration of shelves that can move vertically along sleek rail system, allowing users to adjust their height or position according to need. This smart mechanism enhances flexibility and ease of access, especially in tight space where fixed storage often becomes a limitation. The sliding drawers, neatly tucked under the stage, provide hidden compartments for organizing daily essentials without cluttering the main room. This modular and movable storage solution exemplifies the ingenuity of Japanese design principle, functional minimalism, flexibility, and beauty in simplicity. The combination of horizontal and vertical mobility not only maximizes every inch of the tiny home but also adds a sense of movement and interaction to the living space, turning everyday organization into an engaging experience. Overall, this layout presents a unique visual and functional identity, making the tiny home not only feel more spacious but also deeply personalized and efficient, perfectly suited for modern compact living.